Ready to transform how the world sees your creative genius or professional expertise? Let's build your dream portfolio on Squarespace, step by step, making your work the star of the show. First, jump into your Squarespace dashboard and head to your Sites Pages panel. We're going to add a brand new page, and this time, we'll specifically choose the portfolio layout. Squarespace offers a variety of fantastic pre-designed portfolio templates. Browse through them and pick the one that best resonates with your style and the type of work you want to showcase. Once you've selected a template, it's time to make it yours. Click on the placeholder images to start uploading your own work. Think high-quality photos of your art, client projects, or any visual representation of your skills. For each image, you'll want to click into its settings here. You can replace the placeholder with your actual project image. Don't forget to add compelling descriptions and, where available, link to your live work or detailed case studies. Why Euro? Think of these as mini previews that lead to the full experience. Craft a strong title for each portfolio piece. This is crucial for both user experience and search engine optimization. Beneath the title, write a concise yet impactful description that highlights your role, the project's objective, and the results if your work is online, like a website you designed or an article you wrote. Use the link field to direct visitors to the live version. Now, let's talk about organization. You can easily reorder your portfolio items by simply dragging and dropping them within the editor. Arrange them strategically, perhaps by project type, date, or impact, to guide your visitors through your best work. To truly personalize your portfolio, dive into site styles here. You can tweak fonts, colors, and spacing to perfectly match your brand identity. Consistency is key to a professional look. Once you're happy with how everything looks, hit save and get ready to impress. Your custom Squarespace portfolio is now set up to brilliantly showcase your talent to the world.